Ideal Nursing Academy. Ignited, dynamic, enjoyable academy for learning. Welcome to Achievers Academy. Hi. Today we are going to discuss about profession. Our profession is in uncertainty. As we are, even though recognized as frontline workers, we have to go through the certainty when nursing profession is viewed through a binocular and seen nearer, but not so close using a microscope. If we explore, we find the true professional characteristics in each nurse. We may not hold the stethoscope, but depend on our hands to perform healing miracle, being affectionate and professional in caring. So let us not give up. Keep all the professional characters exploded and show to the world that you are worthy to be respected, awarded because of our quality care. There is one mantra given by our Dr. Abdul Kalam, who is our ex-president. Have great aim, continuously acquire knowledge, hard work, persevere your goal and succeed. So this mantra will definitely work for us and we can grow through our profession. So finally I would like to tell you, purity of our professional life, being, becoming and borrowing professional characters. Today we will discuss about a topic in Nursing Foundation, that is profession. So starting with profession, every individual is connected with one or the other work, but whether we call it as profession or not, that is what we are discussing today. So let us define profession. A profession is defined as any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill, often one that is respected because it involves a high level of education. This definition is given by Cambridge Dictionary. Next, let us discuss about nursing profession. What nursing profession means? The definition given by WHO, it states that nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individuals of all ages, families, groups and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. It includes the promotion of health and the prevention of illness and the care of ill, disabled and dying people. This definition also is defined by WHO, which is very clearly states that nurses have two important aspects. One is collaborative as well as autonomous responsibility. Nursing, I take this opportunity to define nursing also. Nursing is a profession within the healthcare sector focused on the care of individuals, families and communities so they may attain, maintain or recover optimal health and quality of care. So next I would like to define about professional nurse. What a professional nurse means. A professional nurse provides a specified service and follows a code of ethics for practice laid down by its regulatory bodies and registered self in the autonomous regulatory body as expected by the council. So the one more term we have to know about: unregistered nurse or a nursing assistant. This is nothing but an individual who is exposed to nursing care but has not having any certification or does not have any training, but they are exposed to the certain experiences that as providing nursing care, which is invested in terms of nurse. Next we are going to characteristics of a profession. What are the characteristics of a profession in general? I would like to state certain characteristics as it is. It requires, the first one is, it requires a basic liberal foundation and an extended education of its members. Second one, it has a well-defined and well-organized body of theoretical knowledge. Third, constantly enlarged body of knowledge improves techniques used at scientifically based. So it doesn't stop at a particular point, it is dynamic in nature and in adding up knowledge. Interest education of practitioners, increase education. So it's nothing but again the same point, it is repeated in a different way. Apply knowledge into practice. So application of whatever knowledge we are applying, we should be able to apply into practice. Next one is function autonomously, comparison between nursing and medicine, and provide specific services. They provide specific services. Functions autonomously, it means there is a comparison between medicine and nursing always. Nursing is compared to be having a lower hand than the medicine. Next, we are wanted as chosen occupation as a life work. That means throughout our lifelong, we would like to choose to be do a particular work that is called as nursing, and this has an opportunity. So a profession will always have a definition of having an occupation. Next, the members have autonomy in decision making and practice. All the members have the autonomy in decision making as well as in practices. So which obviously in India it is not available, whereas in foreign countries it is available. Next is provides freedom of action and opportunity for continuing professional growth and economic security. So nothing to explain about it. There is a freedom of action as well as opportunity to continue professional growth. There is a opportunity continuously happening, and the security of economic growth. So there is a security for economic growth. Next in short, I could all these are in general, but I would like to make it in short. Characteristics of profession in short, I could like to brief it as in the picture it is said. Specialized education, body of knowledge, service orientation, research, code of ethics, professional organization, autonomy for practice, employment opportunity. So all these are some short professional objectives we can easily remember, and it can be written theoretically and practically. Using this picture we can display, we can write it in the exam. It will be very much of highlighting part of the learning it takes. So last part of the my topic, that is role of a nurse as application. As an application, a nurse have to apply in his or her life so that it can be recognized, nursing can be recognized as professionally. First we have to develop professional behavior. We should always observe and learn to look like a professional person, as like corporates. Even nurse also should look like a person who's approachable, and he or she should be having a capacity to help. Helping tendency should be there. Then acquiring knowledge, continuously updating knowledge, know better things around us, and know what is happening in this profession. That should be very much necessary. And choose for the higher studies, and then research. She or he should always be involved in research. Public speaking, as like I am doing, the public speaking should be done. The voice should be heard by the whole profession. And then finally the leadership quality should be acquired. A nurse have to always stand up for the profession and deliver for nursing. So here ends my profession and its profession and topic related to profession. Now next I would like to share one small joke related to a teacher and a student that actually personally experienced. Part of it I was when a teacher started explaining about certain topic, and suddenly a teacher asked a question. What is a particular question? What is the definition of so and so? And the four students were asked question, and all the four students did not know any answer. They shake their mouths just like that without any voice. And the teacher was so far. By listening to them, and the students, after seeing that, the teacher started saying that very good, he appreciated directly without listening to anything. So nowadays the teachers are in a situation that even though the student is saying right thing or wrong thing, Teacher have to appreciate the students. So as well as the same way, the situation has changed and the scenario has changed. So I take this opportunity to appreciate all of you to learn. I believe that you have learned this particular topic and you have acquired this knowledge, and it will be useful for you in the examination as well as in application, especially in your personal life as a nurse, how you can be professional. So at last I would like to tell you all, please like and share this video. Very important, give a feedback for us. There is a feedback form, link has been shared. In this link you have two feedbacks. One is our feedback of the topic and the second one is feedback of the content what is delivered by the presenter. I want all of you to go to the link and answer the MCQ questions that requires for you to reach for the scholarship. We also have a plan of giving scholarship to the students, those who are performing better. So make sure that you are answering the questions. Thank you, one and all. Signing off, Prabhu John.